Leader Chuck, as we know, have got a vast array of products which we can see in front of us, but they're also steeped in history. Now, John, 65 years, is that correct?
Well, 65 years, yes, and we started Richard R. Leader Limited and making military aircraft parts, and then moved into textile accessories, and then in order to enhance our production rates, we developed a self-contained power chuck, which then became another product, which we then put on the market.
So like any good engineer, you went out and made something better yourself?
Yes, we made it ourselves because we needed it, and we were exporting 90% of our output at that time.
Okay.
So then finally time came on, I closed the manufacturing business, but started a new, wanted to start a new sales outfit in the Midlands where 80% of our work was, and decided to do that in conjunction with Mark Jones, who has been the managing director from the beginning and still is, and has done 25 years of sterling work to keep this together.
In fact, he's done such sterling work. I understand you've got a small present for him here.
Well, we have. I think it wants recording that he's done all this work, and I'd like to give him this watch in commemoration of it. So here we are, Mark.
Well, John, thank you. Thank you very much. It's been fantastic to work with you for 25 years.
25 years, yes.
So I will wear this with pride.
Good.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
John, Mark, great history, fantastic company. Wish you all the best for another 25 years.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Colin. Yeah, here's to the next 25 years. Here's to the next 25 years.
Yeah.